Hello you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Lisa. Thanks for joining. So it's been a minute since I picked up the vlog camera, and it's because we were traveling. If you're new here, I am a first-time new mom. I am currently 11 weeks postpartum, so still just trying to figure it out. But I wanted to do a what I eat in a day as a new mom, breastfeeding mom, just trying to get back on track, just trying to eat healthier and just really get back into a rhythm of feeding myself properly. So I thought I would pick up the camera and do a vlog. I love sharing what I eat in a day videos with you guys. I always have, I always will, and I love watching them myself just for like inspiration. As always, this is not me telling you what you should eat. This could just maybe be for some recipe ideas or things of that nature, but I always like to preference that at the beginning of my vlogs. I am a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach, so health and wellness is very big for me, but these past couple months, I kind of was just in like survival mode, and being a new mom, if you're a new mom, you probably understand, it is basically like you can eat when you can, what's available to you. Sometimes it's not always like you can take time and fully prep a meal and get the right nutrients. So being 11 weeks postpartum, I'm trying to work on that and kind of get back on track and get back into a rhythm, and this is going to keep me accountable as well. So wanted to pick up the vlog camera, going into the food store now and going to pick up some things and then we'll get into it. This might be a couple days of what I eat in a day. As you guys know, one day of vlogging can get thrown off by one event, but I'm going to try my best to do a full what I eat in a day for you guys. Back home now with my little sleeping sous chef. I just harvested some fresh herbs. We actually, as I mentioned, have been away, so our little herb garden over there has not been doing so well, so I got what I could, but I definitely need to take care of it more. But I'm doing a little pasta salad for dinner tonight that I will then have for lunch tomorrow. A lot of my postpartum meals have been stuff that I can make and prep for dinner that will let me have like leftovers for lunch the next day. That has been the easiest way to go about it because during the day, things are very up in the air. Never know what I'm gonna get with this one. She might take a 3-hour afternoon nap and I'll be able to cook myself a nice fresh meal. Or she might have a day where she's not napping at all and I will just have to grab whatever I can. So it's been really nice for me to like make some stuff and then have the leftover ready to go, not have to even think about what I'm gonna have for lunch if it's just one of those days. But during the summertime, I love a pasta salad. So we're gonna make one of those tonight. And then it'll be like the side to our cutlet, and then tomorrow I'll have it for lunch, and I'll probably add like some shredded chicken tomorrow, just so I'll mix it up a little bit and it's not always like the same thing, because that can also get really annoying. But I will share the recipe. It's very simple, it's very fresh, and just like a really good summer staple pasta salad. I just have my pasta here. I went with some like shells, and then frozen peas, garlic, mayonnaise, some regular yogurt, a lemon, then we have dill, parsley, and chives, salt and pepper. Super simple, really light and like refreshing for summer. I'm also making it now just so by the time we do have dinner tonight, it'll be chilled and really refreshing. But yeah, really simple and easy to make. Also, you can pair this with so many different proteins. Again, I will be having this as a side for dinner tonight with a cutlet, but then tomorrow I'll pair it with like some fresh shredded chicken, and it'll be like kind of like a chicken pasta salad situation. So this is the final product. I probably should have not poured the entire dressing mixture. I feel like I didn't have enough pasta, but I am gonna add some meat to this tomorrow, so it'll help soak up a little bit of that dressing, but it still tastes so good. And once I put this in the fridge and it cools down a little bit, it's gonna be like a nice, refreshing pasta salad. Good morning, you guys. Just woke up and I'm having my overnight oats that I prepped last night. You guys saw. I've been loving prepping these overnight. Super simple to just wake up in the morning and have something ready to go. Again, my one tip for postpartum and kind of going through newborn life and trying to eat better for yourself and like be able to just, you know, have things ready is to prep, because I wasn't doing that in the beginning and it was such a struggle. And when I started prepping, my life just got so much easier and I felt more prepared for the day, and I was able to keep myself fed and happy. And yeah, so it's super important, and these overnight oats have been so good. I was putting protein powder in the beginning inside, but I actually ran out, so I have to get some more. But I just do some oatmeal, some oat milk, and then I'll do some chia seeds, blueberry, some maple syrup, and that's it. You can also add other stuff like peanut butter or whatever you like. This has just been my go-to, and it's been really good. It's been working really well, and it's also very good. Oats help with milk supply, so having these, I feel like when I don't eat them, I definitely see a difference in my milk supply, which is crazy, but I've been really enjoying them. And then it's also something that's like nice and refreshing for the summertime. I do blueberries, but you can do any other fruit, strawberries, whatever's in season. I just really like the blueberries for the antioxidants, and it's also like, I don't know, really refreshing in an oatmeal. So it's been a minute since she has stayed sleeping and I've been able to come down and have my breakfast alone. So this morning is really nice. She's usually been waking up pretty early, so we've been starting our days really early. Also, when we were back in the States, I feel like she just got like a little bit kind of messed up. We were starting our days super early there just because of the jet lag and everything. I was waking up at like 5 in the morning with her most days. So getting back, we got back last week and we're kind of still getting on a schedule again here in Switzerland. So she's still sleeping, which is really nice. I have a moment in the morning to eat my oats, and then maybe I will make my coffee after. Hopefully the machine doesn't wake her up. Probably will. My girl hears that coffee machine and she's like, all right, it's time to start the day, but we will see. As always, I try to get myself fed before I have any caffeine. It's not always the case. If you're a new mom, you know, sometimes it was a long night and you just need something to get you through the morning. But if I can recommend something, it's to always get something in your stomach before having any caffeine, because that'll really help you with any sugar cravings or just things of that nature. Making sure that you're a little bit full before you get that coffee in is definitely key. Hi, my love. Did you have a nice nap? Just went on our little morning walk, and it was more of like a nap walk. Just having a little morning snack, 2 eggs and some cherries, some water. Always trying to stay hydrated, especially when it's a bit warmer outside, right? And we're just sitting on the front porch and enjoying before we have to go in and feed little miss here. Bless you. This baby is down. I just finished shredding up some chicken that I poached. So I just poached it on the stove, just some salt, pepper, and then I did some chicken broth and let that go for about like 17 minutes. Just shredded up the chicken in the mixer. I will have this chicken for the rest of the week, so I can do like a chicken salad with some mayonnaise, or like a Waldorf chicken salad with some apples, really good, and some celery. But again, something super easy and simple to do and like kind of prep for the week and like set yourself up just to always have some sort of protein on hand, which is really nice. She is sleeping now. She actually went down earlier than usual, so we will see how long this lasts. I'm hoping that I'll be able to have my lunch. I definitely need to pump for her nighttime feed, and then fingers crossed I can get a workout in. It's not always the case these days. It's very unpredictable with her naps, but I'm just happy that she's napping at all. We went through a phase. Okay, hold on. Okay. See, this is why people say don't ever talk about your baby's sleep. She literally knew I was talking about her napping and woke up immediately. Anyway, going to put my lunch together now and eat it. Might have to speed eat it. We'll see. Hopefully she stays down. But yeah, that's just life right now. So tonight we're just doing these veggie burgers that I got from local butcher. They're really good. Some chopped side salad, this really nice green vinaigrette, and then just some cheese on top. My husband made them some special sauce. And then we just have some gherkin and then red onion to also put on top. And we're just grilling tonight. So you guys, I ended up getting nap trapped in the afternoon with Kiara. She didn't really nap that well for her big afternoon nap, and then things kind of just went downhill from there. So I didn't end up pumping and I didn't end up working out. So I had to do a pump when my husband got home. So yeah, that's just how the rest of our day went. Just making dinner now. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I probably won't be eating anything else other than dinner tonight. Maybe I'll have like an apple with some peanut butter if I like get like a sweet craving. I'm trying to cut back on the sweets. That has been like my healthier alternative if I need something in the evening, but I've been trying to really cut back on eating past 8 p.m. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, as always, leave me a comment down below. Happy to answer to the best of my ability, and I hope you guys join me for my next one. Bye guys. Thank you.